we're looking at the JBL Live 460 NC wireless on-ear headphones. First we're going to take a look at what comes in the box. We've got the headphones, instructions, aux cable, and a USB to USB Type-C charger cable, and a guide and instructions which we'll have a look at later. This audio cable has that braided outer coating which prevents the cable from knotting up. This gives you the option to plug your headphones into the device, which will allow your headphones to work without power, or you have the option to connect your headphone to any device wirelessly by using the Bluetooth. On the right hand side of the headphone we have the controls, and on the bottom of the left headphone we have the Type-C charging port where an orange light will appear once charging. The ear cups are spongy. I find them comfortable to wear, but there's no soft memory foam in these ones. The left cup is also touch sensitive, so you can tap it to call out the assistant on your phone. On the top of the headphones we have a fabric band with the JBL logo right in the middle. And the logo is also on both ear cups. Here you can see how both earphones can swivel. And here's also the different adjustments in height. As you see, the bands stop at each section. Here we can see the material inside the headphone. There's padding to the fabric, but this is also not memory foam. A great feature with these headphones is as you take them off, the music will stop. And as you place them back on your head, the music will start again. Now I'm going to show you how these headphones can fold up, which can be easily stored away, but it doesn't come with a case. That you have to buy separately. Now to turn these headphones on, we're going to simply slide this power button up, which then springs back. We see a flashing white light and then a flashing blue light for the Bluetooth to connect to your phone. Now we're going to search for the headphones. You should see the JBL Live 460 NC. Once connected, the light will go solid blue. On the right side of the headphone you can see me testing out the volume up and down buttons, and the button in the middle is to play and pause. This is also the button you press when you're answering a phone call. Now the battery life of these headphones are good. They have up to 50 hours of playback time with the ANC off, which is the noise cancellation. And playing music with the noise cancellation on, you have up to 40 hours. And charging these headphones for just 10 minutes will give you 4 hours of playback time. Here you have the noise cancellation button to turn the ANC on, or press again to switch to the Ambient Aware, which increases ambient sounds and lowers the music. Here you can see the flexibility of the headphones. They stretch well and they're silent in doing so. You can also take a phone call while speaking through the mic on the headphones, which sounds nice and clear. Now we're going to take a look at the JBL Headphones app, which allows you to change all the settings of your headphones from your phone. It's very simple to set up. Follow these steps to connect your headphones to your phone. So if you're unsure by pressing the buttons on the headphones, you can just see it all on your phone. You can also set these headphones up with Hey Google or Alexa. And I think some people will find controlling the headphones via the app easier. Now we're all set up, you'll be at this main page. We can see your headphone battery life. You can click to view more settings, and you can press on the toggle to adjust ambient sounds, noise cancellation, the smart audio, the EQ and much more. This is where you can really set up the headphones to how you want them. Now I'm going to quickly flick through the instructions that come with it just to show you what information there is, where you can pause and read if you'd like to know any more. The headphones come in 4 different colours. You have a white, blue, rose and black. The price for these headphones on their main website, the JBL website, is priced around £90, but on Amazon and eBay I've seen them for more like £70 at the time when making this video. I think these headphones are great for the price. We have 3 of these in the family. If you're looking for some great over-ear headphones, I recommend the Bose Quiet Comfort 45 wireless noise cancellation headphones. Thanks for watching. I'll leave links and information in the description below. Welcome to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.